you know? Don't you know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? And you were fool's gold. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fools.
We're going to get rid of those shadows in between those dark spots. You want those spots to be a nice gradient going into the rest of the hair. Also going to cover the band.
I'm feeling so hollow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools.
So we're going to start from scratch. Knee highs, I purchased these from Rite Aid, so you get 2 for $1. Got to be glued styling gel. Then BH Cosmetics 102 brush. This is just so that the gel, when I apply it, it won't turn white. When you use your fingers to apply the gel, sometimes your fingers could get sticky, and that will cause the gel, even though it's supposed to dry clear, that will cause the gel to turn white. I love the hair while it's flat ironed, but in its original state, I don't think I would ever wear the hair like that because it's just super thick. It just didn't lay flat and it looked super puffy, so it makes your head look huge. I have a really nice full ponytail. You're going to get quite a bit of shedding while you're straightening the hair. The hair is really thick. You need to straighten it from the roots all the way down. The color is like a natural color. It's a cross between a number 2 and a number 4. The texture, even after you flat iron it, you're still going to see some kinks in the hair. It's not going to be bone straight. I love it right now. Okay, right now I love it, but when I wash the hair, I'm definitely going to have to straighten it before I wear it again. I will leave their website and the direct link where you can get this particular.
What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? And you were fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know?